A quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. Not much movement since yesterday. We had prices still ranging sideways, but we have this engulfing candle and that is not one of my sell signal, and we had a rejection followed by bearish engulfing pattern. Now it is a bearish pressure but not one of my valid entry, as it invalidates one of my rule to take my sell trade. I'm very disciplined with my rules, so even if there is a minor thing that invalidates my rule, I don't enter the trade. And if you are my student, you know what rule is not met here. So for now I'm still looking for a green and big red candle. If we have that, I'm good to go short. We have a rejection followed by bearish engulfing candle, and we have a chance that price will again push lower, make a new low and keep on making new lows till the price hit the zone below in green. We do have a valid candle on capital.com and on Nemex, which I'm going to go through in a very short moment. For now, a zone below is 1.924, goes to 2.046 is the zone from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades. For now, I'm not entering any sort of buy trades till the price is completely in my zone or completely broken above 50 EMA to take my buy trades. For now, we have a bearish pressure with this bearish candle. We have a rejection at this little anchor, and we have a likely chance that price will push lower, or I want to see another green or a nice big red candle. If we have that, I will have my sell signal and I will enter my sell trade. So keep an eye here. We have a likely chance that price will make another low and keep on pushing lower. Net gas is still bearish, only looking for bearish opportunities. Next one, we have capital.com. For now, we have our price pushed up from the support area. Again, it is not a valid bullish engulfing pattern. I've already explained in my yesterday's video, because the candle has opened above from the previous candle. For now, we are getting a bearish engulfing pattern. If this candle closes a bearish engulfing candle, in that case, that will be a valid sell signal and we can have a possible push down from this candle. And I will go 180 from a target if you are trading on this platform. If this closes the bearish engulfing pattern, in that case, we have a valid sell signal. And then if the price pushes lower, and in that case, again, I'll mark my rejection zone something like this, and the price pushes lower, rejects from here, formed a bullish engulfers green candle, 382 candle. In that case, I will go long again, as I don't upload videos on Friday. That's why I want to give you a heads up. If we have a move like this today or tomorrow and dramatic push down, rejects from here, bullish engulfer, in that case we'll have a possible divergence with the double bottom is exactly same as gold. In that case, I will go long for my trade. For now, we are getting a possible sell signal. If it closes a bearish engulfing pattern, I'm expecting a push down from here. Here on Nemex, exactly the same. We are getting a valid bearish engulfing pattern. Once we have that, we have a swing high bearish engulfer. A zone below to take my buy trades. It is 2.056 goes up to 2.207, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with conditions like bullish engulfers, double bottoms, hammer candles. All these are my buy condition. For now, we can expect another push down. Looking at this bearish pressure, looking at the prices trading below 50 EMA and below 20 EMA, and prices making new lows, we have a good chance the price make another low and then possible bounce from the area I've just mentioned. Next one, we have gold, as nicely pushed up, massively pushed up due to fundamentals. We had a Fed report release yesterday. They have not changed the interest rate, and I've already mentioned my yesterday's video, which I'm going to talk in detail in my weekend's video, how we can combine both technicals and fundamentals factor. As you can see, I was already in the trade when I was uploading a video yesterday, so let me show you quickly what I've said so that you can understand conditions and entries. But we have a Fed interest rate decision coming up very shortly. That is why I'm paying attention to this interest rate decision. If we have an interest rate decision more than the forecast, as you can see, the previous two forecast, we have the kept interest rate same. If you have a decision more than the forecast, in that case we have a strength in a dollar and gold will push lower. But if it stays the same, or if they lower the interest rate, then we have a good chance that the dollar will get weaker and gold will push higher from here. That is why I'm just looking at how the market reacts. Otherwise, a technical signal has happened. We also have an RSI divergence right here with the double bottom pattern, a very good technical signal for buy as well. But again, we have a Fed news that I'm closely paying attention, and I'll be only entering with a very, very small risk right here. Nice one. So as you can see, I've already prepared myself with this rejection box. If we have a rejection and candle won't close below this previous low, and we have a bullish engulfing pattern, we have a buy signal, as we have a FOMC meeting yesterday. That's why I placed my trade with a very small risk, and I just gone 1-to-1 because of the news event. That is how I personally take my trades, and that certainly hit my take profit. Even though if the news was against me, I knew that I have my stop loss there. It will not blow up my account. So that is why always take your trades using stop loss. So now a nice push up, and after this big momentum candle, I'm expecting some good breather out of the price. For now, I'm expecting good few red candles above 50 EMA. We are also getting a cross, but cross alone doesn't mean that I'm entering a buy trade. With a cross, I want to see a good bullish engulfing pattern, a pullback of few red candles followed by bullish engulfing pattern. If we have that happens above 50 EMA, in that case I will go another long and keep on taking longs till the price gets to the level above, which is right here in red. 2066 goes up to 2075, from where I'll be entering my counter sell trades. For now, all I'm looking at a signal above 50 EMA with bullish engulfing pattern. Once we have that, then we are good to go long, and I will use one ATR for my target, which is initially $11 right here, exactly the same as we took $8 target. That was the ATR, and that is how I take my target. So keep an eye here. All I'm looking at bullish trade with the conditions, with the pullback. Once we have that, we are good to go long. Here on silver is pushed up massively from the level of support. It did not give me a chance to enter the trade because of this news candle. It just pushed up straight away. But if you see here, we had a valid pin bar. Now, if you're my student, you know how to enter pin bars. That would be also an entry condition. If you would have entered here at this pin bar, that is also your take profit hit. For now, I don't want to confuse you how we use the other strategy in the MMTA course, but for now stick with the rules here. Simple rules. All we are looking at a pullback of few red candles followed by bullish engulfer, exactly same as gold. Once we have that, we are good to go long, not taking any sell trades till we are above 50 and 20 EMA both. So keep looking for your entry condition above 50 EMA only. The next one to take your sell trade is right above, which I'm going to mention in my next video, as I still need to redo the zone for silver. Next one we have crude oil. As you can see, it's pushed up nicely from the pin bar and 382 candle. I've mentioned that we already have a 382 candle entry condition, an aggressive way. I was personally waiting for a good condition like a double bottom bullish engulfers, which I did not get, because for crude oil I'm very cautious to take my trade. I personally look for chart patterns like head and shoulder, double bottoms, or some sort of aggressive entry which is bullish engulfing pattern. That is why I waited, but that was also an entry condition. If you're my student, you know what entry is that. Now price pushed up from the level of support I've mentioned and now pushing higher. At this point, all I'm looking at bullish trades only. All I want to see one more green candle above this zone with a pullback followed by bullish engulfer, and I'll go long again within this zone. So I'll exit my trade and look for another condition. If we have a big bearish engulfer, a rejection, something like this, if we have that in this zone, only then I'll look for my sell trades, or if we have a double top pattern within this area of value. And this red zone is our trend continuation zone, bearish, which is 71.98 goes to 74.02, a zone from where we are looking for a possible trades for bullish momentum, pullback, bullish engulfer, whatever I get first. If I get a bullish signal first, I'll enter bullish trade, and if I get a bearish signal first, bearish engulfers or double top, I'll enter my bearish trade. For now, I'm just looking for the condition. Once we have that, we are good to go for our trade. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always email me at support@moneymarkets.net. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.